Hello everyone. Now the moment has arrived to unveil the most important timesheet that is known as Tracker Timesheet. This incredible timesheet boasts a key advantages. It provides a crystal clear window into the impressive work accomplished by our dedicated employees across a multitude of projects. This isn't just an ordinary timesheet. It's a powerful asset that empower companies, HR departments, and team leaders to supercharge their ability to track and manage work within our organization. So join me on this thrilling journey as we explore the magic and effectiveness of this time tracker. Get ready to be amazed. First of all, let's go to the tracker timesheet from here. The main benefit of this timesheet is that you can clearly view the capture work done by employee in the various projects. And this is really helping a company, HR, or team leader to monitor the work done in the company very effectively. Furthermore, you can view the capture screenshot of the work done by employee in a given time period. For instance, select the date from the calendar. Let's say 9th October. Now you can see this timeline. The length of each time frame is an hour. Let's select on the time frame from 9 am to 10 am. Now you can view the capture work done by the user in the particular time frame. The another benefit is that you don't have to go looking for a particular project to view the capture screenshot. You can filter it directly from the filter and search the project. Let's see AlianHub ERP. Now select the time frame you want to look into. Let's select 12th September. Here are the screenshots. Now to look into the detail, click on the screenshots. This is the way you can view the work captured during that time. Similarly, you can filter by teams. Let's say Vue.js. Select the time frame. Let's say 20th September. And here are the capture screenshots of all the users of the team working on these projects. Likewise, you can filter by users. Let's say Brijesh. Now select the time frame 10 am to 11 am. Look here. Here are all the capture images of the work done by Brijesh during the time frame 10 am to 11 am. Clicking on the image, you will see the detailed view and know which project and task the user was working on. Thus, you can track the productivity of the company by automatic work time tracking and the capture screenshots. Hey, this is really exciting, right? Thanks for watching this video, and guess what? This excitement doesn't stop here. Stay tuned for the fantastic feature we have in our store for you in this Alien Hub. I thank you for your attention.